and welcome back to my channel. It's Halloween season and that means that I can give myself the freedom to make a lot of spooky snacks, and today we have mummies. Actually it's not mummies, it's just sausages in puff pastry, but no, for Halloween there will be mummies. Well, and I guess I'll show you how it's done. It's quite easy. So for making our mummies, we start by making the bandages. We cut stripes into our puff pastry. I bought this in the supermarket. And now we wrap our mummies. I have here my sausages. I already boiled them because I am a hoarder and I stock sausages and I usually put them into the freezer. So it would be a bit hard to use them frozen. So I use them boiled. And we wrap it around. I will try to cover the face. Well, what is going to be the face. And we place it on our baking tray. Now here we have our mummies. I had some leftover puff pastry, so I made a grid shape that should symbolize, I don't know, some sort of a dungeon or some sort of a prison. And we're going to bake them according to the packaging of the puff pastry. And we'll see you again later. So here we have our mummies and the grid. I know that usually mummies have nothing to do with any type of jail or prison, but I don't know, it seemed appropriate for a Halloween themed snack. So now we make some eyes for the mummies because, well, they are humans or used to be at some point, I don't know. And for that I use a single chopstick and make the eye. I'm probably not making a pupil because, you know, mummies are dead, so they don't need pupils. And here we have our finished mummies, ready to be eaten and released into the world with the curse of the mummy. And well, this is it for today, and I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked the idea, and I hope you will make it yourself. And if you make it, I would really enjoy seeing your creations, and so please tag me on Instagram if you make them or send me the picture. And well, I guess I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to have more videos like these, subscribe to my channel. Bye!